In this tutorial, you will learn the Edit Flange profile in SolidWorks Sheet Metal. You will find the Edit Flange profile in the Property Manager tree in the Edge Flange. Now I have created this Edge Flange here. If you want to change the shape, the angle, and flange length, flange position, and the custom bend allowance and relief types, you can do it using the Edit Flange profile. Simply click it. Now the message has been pop up. Profile sketch. The sketch is valid. Now the outer edge is highlighted here. You can drag it, and even you can dimension it using this smart dimension. Let's dimension this. Let's say it's a 5, and you can dimension it. Now simply click back. If you want to change the flange position and apply the custom relief, you can change the up-down, or you can change to rectangle, any shape you want. Just edit as your requirement. You can change the angle also. And you can change the flange length also. 100. In this way, you can use edit flange profile. Click OK. If you are not satisfied yet, again go to edit flange profile, and you can change the default dimensions. You can change the bend radius, thickness, etc. Click OK. Again, click the edge flange. Select multiple edges here. Now you can edit the flanges one by one also. And if edge 1 is highlighted, you can edit the edge 1 in the same way as we explained earlier. Go back and change the parameters again. You can select the other flange also, and you can edit the parameters. In this way, edit flange profile works.